Hi everybody, this is Anthony from AskAnthonyJohnson.com and Growing Your Business with Internet Marketing Facebook group. And I just want to show y'all this great tool that I found online called Twitterod. Is a Twitter tool that allows you to know when to best send your tweets out, because it shows you when most of your followers are going to be online. Now how this works is you can get a free account, and it's going to have like an analysis. So it does analysis of your Twitter followers. Now I've already done one, as you can see right now, that my next free account analysis is going to be on February 27, 2018. So it only allows you to do it every month for like a free one. So when you click on your My Analysis, it's going to give you the details of the general stats of the exposure, of when the best time to tweet and when your most followers going to be on there. Now on the general stats here, it's saying that from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. and to 2 p.m. those are the best times on the weekends for me to tweet, because that's when most of my followers are going to be online. As you can see on here on this graph here, that at 11 a.m. I had 110 followers that was online. So that would be around the best times when I want to start tweeting, so everybody can see my tweets. And on 1 p.m. I had like 104 followers, and then around about 2 p.m. I had like 98 followers. So these are the best times for me to start tweeting and get the most exposure and engagement with my followers. Now you also got the days right here. You got Sunday, which is like 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So those are gonna be like the best times for me to start tweeting on Sunday. And then you got Monday, and it also has like the weekdays. So they're gonna give you the best time during the weekdays when you should start tweeting. You also have the hourly graphs. Now the hourly graphs is going to show you on this one here, starting off on the weekends, when the best time hourly. Now this is getting even more specific on when you should start sending out your tweets. Now the most people I see right here on the weekends is I need to start tweeting around 11 a.m. That's when the most followers at. And then it sort of kind of just declines down after that hourly. So you can see hourly how you're supposed to be tweeting. And then it also goes from Sunday, it shows you the track, and on Monday it show you when the best times hourly, and then on the weekends also. And there's also another tab here for the replies. Now this is important also, because you want to be on Twitter when you're getting replies, when people are messaging you. This is going to show you the best time when you're getting replies. And on mine, it's at 5 p.m. So I need to be on Twitter at 5 p.m. because I got over 30 replies right here from people who have sent me replies. Now this is a great tool, guys, that I think y'all should check out. I mean, it's free. Now they also have a paid service also. Let me go back to the general stats here. It's a premium service right here that you click on if you want more data that you can get on a monthly basis. Now this right here is showing you for $3.99 per month. Now I can have all of this data here sent to me on a regular basis, or I can just purchase one right here for $5 and get it sent down. You can have a PDF sent down to you. Now they send these, when I did my analysis, they're probably going to send you like a DM, or it's going to send it to your email. So that's a great way how you can get more engagement on your Twitter account. Now if you want to follow me on Twitter, you can go here to twitter.com/ask, that's ASKSAJ, and you can find me on Twitter if you want to follow me here on Twitter. Now I also have additional information here where if you want to get some leads, whatever business that you are, product or service that you are trying to get out there on Twitter, we have a quick, simple 3-step Twitter formula that you can generate 31 plus fresh leads per day from your Twitter account. And all you need to do is you can click this button here to get instant access, and you just put your name and email in, and it will send that information right over here. Or you can click on this play video here, and you just put your name and email address in, and we send that information right over to you. So guys, that's my information for today on how you can get more engagement on your Twitter on your Twitter account. And I hope that y'all enjoy this information. If you want to check me out, you can go to AskAnthonyJohnson.com or Growing Your Business with Internet Marketing. Thanks, and y'all have a blessed day. Bye bye.